Hello, 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 hello. Happy blessed Monday everyone. Butuhan na ngayon guys, Monday, May 12. Sana walang daya ng butan. Mabuhay. Duterte 10, PDP laban. Shout out everyone, especially to those who always supporting me and supporting my silent live. Thank you so much guys, thank you, big thanks to all of you. And sa mga nagpi-play sa ating playlist, thank you. Si Kuya Job Sinaway, si Kuya Laren Directo, and Talpakik sa ading ko, and ading love travel music. Thank you sa pag-play nyo sa aking playlist. And of course, belated happy Mother's Day to all my sisikoys and to all mothers all over the world. And shout out sa aking whole family, at shout out ko ang aking anak bunso sa Pilipinas, Chard Induana. Shout out sa lahat ng aking mga kapatid. Shout out relatives, friends, and not friends. Shout out sa inyong lahat. And of course, big thanks to all of you guys here in my small YouTube channel for supporting me. Hi, shout out to all of you guys. I cannot mention already all your name kasi if I mention some, why I didn't heard my name. So, shout out to all of you guys. To all my sisikoys, shout out. But of course, to those who's playing my playlist, shout out si Kuya Laren Directo, si Kuya Job Sinaway, and ading love travel music, and ading Talpakik si Kuya Nana, ni YT, si ayan o. Nagbabataan tayo. E syempre, dalaga naman tayo guys. At yun lang, ganun lang ang buhay. Walang buzzers, ayan, hindi ako nagkulot ng book, titinabad ako. So okay lang yung book ko na yun. So yun lang guys, at shout out sa aking all teams, sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko dito, to all my friends here, shout out everyone, namatay na. Kailangan ko kasi guys, pag nagsasalita ako, may tugtog. Kailangan may tugtog kasi katatapos ko lang naki-video call ng isang actor na from Asia. Bawal baka ma-copyright mo. Nabanggit kang pangalan. Kamuntik ko nang nabanggit ang pangalan, kaya yung bunga kailangan lagyan ko ng tape. Minsan kung anong pinagsasabi, hindi nadudula sa bunga ko guys. So yun lang guys, please vote straight Duterte 10. Mabuhay Duterte 10, PDP laban. Shout out, mabuhay po. Hindi tayo makakanta kasi walang maon guys. So yun lang guys, happy blessed Monday everyone. To all my sisikoys, to all my friends here in my small YouTube channel, shout out to all of you guys. Happy blessed Monday, and please to those who did not subscribe me yet, please subscribe me. Rose the Melod Vlog. I love you and God bless us all. Jat. Mabuhay Duterte 10, PDP laban. Thank you.